Good morning, children. There were some issues in sending the assignments to the classroom. Most of you have sent the assignments using in the .gpg format, which is not a very convenient way to send an assignment. Instead, I would prefer you to use the .pdf format. This can be achieved by scanning the documents, that is your assignments, using an app like Fast Scanner. I'm going to use Fast Scanner and show how to scan a document and send it. Okay, first install the Fast Scanner app. It's already installed on my mobile. Now I'm going to use it and give you a demonstration. Tap on the Fast Scanner app icon. This is the first screen in which your scanned documents will be shown. In your case, if this is the first time you're installing it, this is going to remain blank. Okay, you can see a camera icon here at the bottom of the screen. In order to scan, just click on it. Okay, the camera will open. Okay, now you can scan the document or your assignment. Click on the white circle. Okay, you can see that your document has been scanned and it is enclosed in a green rectangle with 6 dots, 8 dots. Okay, you can adjust these dots and select the required region to be scanned. Okay, then after being satisfied with the selection of the document, you can tap on the tick button. Then here there is a circle which you can use to rotate the document. Once you are satisfied with the angle, go to the bottom of the screen wherein there are so many options: BNW, BNW2, photo, color, etc. In that, choose BNW. Okay, if you choose photo, this is how it will going to look. Instead of that's a very ugly way to present an assignment. Instead of that, select on BNW. Okay, rotate it so that it is vertically aligned in the proper way. Okay, then press on the tick. You can give a name here for your assignment. Okay, any name which you feel like, then press OK. Okay, this is how the first page is scanned. Okay, now if you want to scan the second page, click on the plus. Then again scan the second page. Press on the tick. After rotating it, press on the tick. Second page is also scanned. Okay, likewise, you can scan all the pages of your assignment in one single file. Then there is a sharing button here which you can tick. Select sharing, scroll down, to classrooms. Okay, here it is saying that no courses are found because I have not enrolled into any class, but you are going to find the class and the subject in this screen, which you can select. Okay, then you can share it to the classroom. Fine. So that is how you are going to create a PDF file and share it with the classroom.